Hello my YouTube friends and family. So right here I have a 2007 BMW 328i. So just want to show you guys what the water pump look like. So this is an electric water pump for it. So I just want to show you guys exactly what it look like. So if you want to order one, you have an idea what it look like. So right there, that's where the plug go for the current. And these are where the hose go. And I also want to show you the thermostat housing. So this is thermostat assembly right here, guys. So when you order it, that's where the wire go for the sensor. So look on it, guys, so you don't make any mistake getting your part for your car. There you go. Alright guys, so if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.